At 1:26 a.m., stealth security professionals monitoring an Ontario construction site spot a black pickup truck entering the property. The truck backs up near a stack of construction materials and two individuals promptly jump out and start loading the vehicle with goods. Operators immediately contacted local police dispatch, and officers were able to successfully intercept the vehicle while it remained in the area. Officers then followed the truck back to the site, where the thieves can be seen putting back the stolen materials in view of cameras.